Welcome to an introduction to Stream, how to create your own channel. So you might ask yourself, why should I create my own channel? Well, it's a place for you to host your own content. You can make it a place to hold lots of great resources for your students and even link it into your Teams account. To get started with this, we're going to open up our district dashboard and go to our Office 365 app. As soon as this loads, we can look for the Stream icon. Now, it may be in your recently used apps, or you'll have to go to all apps in order to find it. Mine is right here. Once I've loaded my personal Stream channel, I have a couple options at the top. I can look for my content or create new. Under my content, you can see that I can access my videos, my groups, or my channels, or I can go to create and upload a video, a live event, or even create a channel. This is where we're going to go today. Under create, choose channel. This opens the channel creation tab. First, I need to give my channel a name. This is going to be a test channel. Then I want to tell a little bit about my channel. So this is a test channel. Now I have a decision to make. Is this going to be a group channel for a specific group in Teams or a company channel for anyone to access? Today we're going to choose company channel and then upload a main image. Now that I've created my channel, you can see that there's my main icon, and this is a place where people can follow me, or I can follow my own channel. I can search through my videos or even edit the order that they're coming in. This is the part where I'm going to select files that I have on my computer in order to upload them to my channel. Now we're going to go to the three dots and click Share. Using this link right now, I want to copy so that I can put it into my Teams page. After copying the channel information, I want to open up Teams. This is a great way to get all of my videos directly to my students. In my team, I'm going to select the plus icon at the top. And then I'm going to find the Stream icon and add that as an app for another page. What it's going to ask me for immediately is what channel I want to add. This is where you're going to put that copied link right in here. I could update just a video or the entire channel, and we're going to do the channel today. Select your channel. After I've saved my channel, it's going to take me back to my Teams page. Now you can see at the top of my Teams page, I have test channel right there. Anytime my students click on it, all of my videos that are put into that test channel will go directly to my students. Setting up your own channel has a lot of benefits. I can host the content directly to my Teams page where my students can access it without having to dig through a lot of different files. I could also go live and hold my own classes, and it'll upload a version of that class directly to my Stream account. It's also a great place for me to stick other resources that I would like my students to have.